This is my cat, and we got some toys for him. That's one of them. And let me go get the one that's going to make him go a bit crazy. Where did I put it? I threw it somewhere. Nope. Is it over there? Yeah, the taco. Where did I put it? The taco. So I'm searching around for it. This might take a while. So let's just keep searching for the catnip. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Stitch! Come here. Come here, buddy. See this?
So did you and Mom talk about all the stuff you're going to be doing when you're gone? While you're doing your toes? Or were you side by side?
No, she was getting her nails done first. Come on. Go get it. There he is. Just sitting with his catnip. You gonna go get it? You gonna go get Mr. Taco? You done? You done playing?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, he ain't moving.